How to use the Microsoft Authenticator app. So if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and also tick that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads here. So let's go to our Play Store. As you can see, we have here the Microsoft Authenticator app. Just install it on your phone, and for me, as I have already installed it, I am going to open it. So you can sign in your email here, your phone or your Skype, or even your Microsoft account. So just type in your email and as well as your password. After that, you will be adding your account to the Authenticator app. So let's just wait while it is loading. So after that process, you will be logged into your Authenticator app in your phone, and you can enable the two-step authentication by logging into your PC with your Microsoft account, and then you will be requesting an approval and just approve it to your phone, and in that way it will be connected and two-step verification is enabled. So if you see a message like this, just click on approve. And once that's done, you can also manage your passwords by clicking on the passwords tab down below. So there are also a lot of tab right there. You can go to your address or verified IDs or your payments. In your verified IDs, you can scan the QR code for you to add the ID. And then here in the home page, you can add accounts in the plus button, and you can also turn on the backup. So I hope this helps, and see you on the next video.